With multiple commercial operators utilising small satellite platforms for Earth observation, and operators looking to use similar technologies for communication services, the small satellite industry is by far the most emerging and exciting segment of the space industry. With this growth in the small satellite segment, the demand for dedicated launch services to low Earth orbits focusing on small satellites is on the rise.
The market is evolving quickly and new investment is attracting new operators. With a number of operators aiming to complete testing in 2016, we expect scheduled operations by as early as 2017. The opportunity is significant, with revenues to 2023 exceeding $3 billion, accounting for the inevitable price reductions over the forecast period. Virgin Galactic, Rocket Lab USA, Firefly Space Systems will be some of the more prominent participants to watch as the industry for LEO small satellite launch operations continues to develop.
Over 2,600 small satellites are expected to be launched in the next 8 years, with the peak period starting from 2019, which is expected to be the first replacement phase to begin for the small satellite operators in the Earth observation domain. While Earth observation is the prominent domain currently, communication domain will add to the small satellite market from 2018. Business intelligence, crop health assessment, disaster monitoring, and consumer map capabilities delivered via web-based applications will be key application areas in the Earth observation domain. Small satellite-based connectivity services are looking to deliver wireless broadband internet services to remote locations not yet covered by fibre optic network. With services such as these, millions of users in remote regions will get reliable access to the internet. OneWeb will be a key player in the small satellite-based connectivity domain, potentially feeding into the ongoing market penetration efforts from participants such as Google, Facebook. Space-based maritime surveillance capabilities will be another key growth segment that we are closely following.
Small satellites will be a disruptive technology. For example, we expect new suppliers and business models to attract new customers. This will bring satellite imagery services to a broader market. Customers who previously couldn't afford these services will now have them delivered to their smart devices at more affordable prices. This will also be the case with data services, as those without access to reliable broadband will be able to stream video without paying premium prices. Small satellites will also disrupt the established supply landscape, with both upstream and downstream operators encountering new suppliers, services and business models.
A sudden rise in demand for small satellites cannot be easily met without the manufacturing domain expanding its capacity accordingly. The same way, the launch demand cannot be met with current ride-share opportunities alone, as the waiting times are getting longer and the choice or target orbits are limited. Dedicated LEO launch services will be required to meet the upcoming demand from small satellite operators. Frost & Sullivan has planned an elaborate research program exclusively focusing on these key areas of the space industry. The program will cover diverse domains including commercial deep space missions, military ISR cyberspace, next-gen positioning and tracking solutions, and high-throughput satellite markets. For further information, please visit frost.com.